Hey guys, welcome back. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. We have some jagan barbecue sauce, jerk chicken barbecue sauce. So starting by adding the thyme or jagan, some barbecue sauce, normal simple barbecue sauce, right? I'm show you step by step on prepare my barbecue sauce. Add some chili pepper, add some sugar, and add some vinegar also, yeah, to taste and flavor. I'm add some ketchup, right? So I'm starting to mix it to combine together. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. We have some nice barbecue sauce. We have some jerk chicken presentation eatable, finger licking. So I'm starting by adding the barbecue sauce to the pot. Make the pot hot and thing here. We have some bird pepper, garlic, chili pepper, and thyme to taste and flavor. We have some nice jerk chicken right here, right? You can see, yeah. Please remember to watch the video to the end, like and share, leave a comment so you can see the recipe, eatable presentation, barbecue jerk chicken. You can see mixed vegetable rice and peas. You can see the whole of the spice them. Yeah. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please remember to watch the video to the end.